everyone, it's Marilyn. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope to inspire you for your next DIY project. Out of this pine board, I'll be making a sign for my granddaughter. I prepped the wood by sanding it, and I'm going to use this Milescraft Sign Pro Kit. I use this whenever I make custom signs. Everything is included, I mean everything. I love using this kit because you can make a sign of any size. I have put it together and inserted the letters for her name in the bracket. The backwards letter K is on purpose, so I know I have come to the end. What you do is you place the bracket on top of the board and you will clamp it down. You use your palm router with plunge and attach the included bit and circular guide that will be inserted in to make the letters. I'm going to prep the board with wood filler and sand it with 150 and 220 grit sandpaper. I will use my palm router to round over the edges, then smooth it out by hand sanding it. I am doing the opposite in regard to painting the sign. I will be putting the paint on first, then carve out the letters. I'm using her favorite color, purple, by Krylon. I'll spray 3 coats on the board, let it dry between coats, and then overnight. Now it's time to make the letters. You want to go slow, not fast, when carving out the letters. When carving out the letters, this is how slow you want to go. You want to take your time, do not rush it. lettering is complete. At the end, you will see the final results of the sign. Thanks for watching.